Greetings, folks. During the beginning of the week of April 12th, Southern Manitoba received between 15 and 30 centimeters of snow. That's about equivalent to a foot of snow. The rule of thumb is that 12 inches of snow equals 1 inch of rainfall. Either way, the moisture was welcomed by most, so long as you didn't have to shovel it. I thought it would be fun to take out my new DJI Mini 2 drone to get a bird's eye view of some of the snow cover on some fields. Despite some strong winds that came along with the snow, the coverage on these fields is excellent. I'm here about 2 days after the end of the storm, and there have been some days already with temperatures slightly above freezing, so some melting has taken place. Also, the ground was warm to begin with, so there would have been some melting caused by the warm soil temperature. The first part of the storm saw the heavy, wet kind of snow, so that reduced its blowing ability and also brought with it a little more moisture than regular snowfall would. A word of warning when flying any drone is to be on the lookout for hydro wires. I was for the first part of my flight and thought I would be okay. Somehow the drone climbed a little during my turn and ended up rather close to these high tension lines that are coming up shortly. I was accused of being brave with my new drone in flying between the lines. Brave had nothing to do with it. The drone was over a quarter-mile away, and I couldn't see it when it crossed between the lines, and I didn't notice the lines until I downloaded the video and replayed it. I am impressed with the Mini 2 in that there were no ill effects or hiccups caused by the magnetic fields that can surround these high-tension hydro lines. Either way, the snow cover was excellent and will greatly enhance germination and growing conditions for the growers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the view.